When life is structured, your mind gets to rest. And when your mind gets rest, your emotions regulate. And when your emotions regulate, you stop making decisions from panic. That's not self-help talk. That's successful lifing math. And once we start seeing that, we stop romanticizing pain and struggle. We stop confusing exhaustion with ambition, and we stop wearing burnout like a badge. We realize we don't need life to be harder to feel accomplished. We need it to be steady. And peace doesn't come from finally figuring everything out. Peace comes from knowing we don't have to figure everything out every single day.